about 3 people have came to help us with our tire today. There is one like kind of hippie guy that tried to come help us because he's like getting ready to go back home or something, and he had like this stuff, but it doesn't fit like the screws. So, and then another guy.
Curse you, karma!
Bam! we have the tractor that you were driving that one live stream. Goes mad slow. Well, I have to go slow, or else it's gonna fly off. I mean, there should be a tire place, right? It would have been way quicker.
It's exactly 5 o'clock, so there's gonna be a tire place right there. Closed. Okay.
Maybe you'll have to go up. I guess.
Hey, how am I doing?
Try and put it in here and see if you can get it to start.
Yep.
Now we're gonna let it down. Now.
Oh man, sorry man.
Thanks, dude.
When I win the lottery, I'll come back. You like saved my life, for real. Everybody kept like having money. A couple people stopped, but they really have they didn't have the equipment and stuff.
You know, people are afraid nowadays. Things.
Yeah.
Say it again.
But
Let me take a picture. Okay. 13, 16, and then USA. I'll take a picture of all this stuff, man.
You're a craftsman.
What's that?
Craftsman.
But you got to make sure you get the thin wall.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was the problem too. That's what it's called, thin wall.
Thin wall, yeah.
Yeah, because everybody had the size. They were just like, and there was a guy that actually had like a tool.
How was that? The time with the flat tire.
Yeah, we had a stressful time. We didn't know if we were gonna be able to fix it, but God came through. He got us where we had to go. Actually, I would have never been there if I didn't go through all this problem. But we met this guy. He's awesome. Yeah. New York City, baby, let's go! Quit Connecticut.